Imagine being able to produce an entire cinematic short-form drama sequence without a camera, cast, or production team. And it is all powered entirely by AI. And not just generic AI generated clips, but compelling narrative scenes complete with consistent characters, dramatic visuals, and professional style camera movements that is inspired by today's most popular short drama productions. In this video, I'll walk you through how creators are combining CapCut PC, Cdance 2.0, and GPT Image 2 to craft cinematic short drama scenes from the ground up. The final outcome is remarkably close to what you'd expect from a professionally filmed production. Let's go through the complete process one step at a time, and let's enjoy the ride. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright, so guys, first step would be for us to download and set up the CapCut PC. Now, this is the landing page of CapCut. Link to this will be in the description of the video. Straight up, guys, CapCut.com. So let's go ahead and download this one right here. And mind you guys, you do not have to pay anything for you to download and install CapCut. So once it is already installed, you could launch the application and log in to your account. Alright, so once you have already installed it and logged into your account, you could actually go ahead and click on AI video right there. Okay, so once you click on it, it will load it up and show you this one. Okay, so this is where you would be able to generate AI videos. As you can see, we have image to video, we have omni reference, we have text to video, and we also have the multi-frames. Now, all of those will be very, very helpful for you to generate the short drama or whatever type of AI video you would like to make. Alright, so we'll start this process, guys, with creating a character. That way we would be able to be consistent in terms of our main character. So this one is the one that we will be using. Okay, and for the model, there are actually a lot of different models that you could choose from. GPT Image 2, Cdream 5.0, Cdream 4.5, and a lot more. But for this, we will be choosing GPT Image 2. And for the resolution, I mean, it's totally up to you. Okay, 1K, 2K, 4K, whatever works for you. So I'll just choose 1K for this. And for the aspect ratio, I'll choose 16:9. Now, for this, the attached would be the main character. Okay, so I just wanted to put in that prompt and generate that. All right, so look at how cool this is. It generated 4 images for us, okay? And one of it has even like the details of the character. Call sign Maverick 7. Ethan Kovac is his name. So vultures and all that. So it actually created a character for us. Okay, so you have that and all. So you could actually choose which one you would like. Now, I would like to get this one. Okay, so let me save this one for future use. Okay, so let me save it in my files for this one. Okay, main character. Okay, there you go. Okay, now moving on to the next, guys, the AI video, which is actually the main event. All right, so text to image, image to video. Okay, so the next one that we will be doing would be image to video. We will add the photo or the image that we created earlier. So that is the one. And then we will put in some great AI prompt. Okay, so here goes our first clip. Let's do this. Okay, so I prepared some prompts that are actually, you know, I wanted to make sure that it's very, very specific. So like a handsome 28-year-old male test pilot with short, dark hair, light stubble, expressive hazel eyes, athletic build, and all that. all are in here. So again, guys, if you are creating videos or if you are creating even photos, you want to make sure that you are as precise and specific as you can to what you want. Okay, so for this we will be using Dreamina Cdance 2.0. Okay, so resolution, I want it to be 1080p. Duration, let's do 5 seconds for this one. Okay, and then we're gonna be generating another scene later on after this. So let's generate this. Okay, so this is going to be our first clip, guys. Let me put in the AI prompt. So extreme macro shot of his eye, strange blue light reflects in his iris, cut him to driving across an isolated desert, and we want to make sure that this one is landscape 16:9. So Dreamina Cdance 2.0 is what we're going to use. There are a lot of different models, but again, we wanted to use the Cdance 2.0 for this round. Resolution is at 1080p. Duration will be 5 seconds. Okay, because we're going to generate multiple clips anyway. And the aspect ratio is at 16:9. Let's generate that one. Okay, so we got that first clip in line already. Now we want to change the AI prompt to the one that I have prepared for the next one. Okay, so this is going to be the next, and this is landscape. So we want to make sure that everything is actually good. So we will be using the same model, same resolution, same duration, and the aspect ratio is still the same. So let's go ahead and generate that second clip. Okay, so this is now the clip number 2 that we have generated. Oh, look at that. My gosh. Okay, so that is the next clip, and then we are going to generate more clips that we will actually eventually do an omni reference to. That way we could compile that and get that lined up. All right, so for the third one, this is going to be our prompt. Now we have a dialogue here. Okay, no, this can't be real is what the main actor is going to say. So again, still same AI image, because again, we want to make sure that that is consistent. Dreamina Cdance 2.0, 1080, 5 seconds, 16:9. Let's generate it. All right, so clip number 3 is all set. And look at that.
No, this can't be real.
Oh, yes. All right, so that is our clip number 3, and then we are going to keep on generating the next clips for us to be able to get all those things together and then edit it out, and you will see the final result. All right, so guys, this is going to be our very first clip. Let me play this one so that you will have an idea. Look at this. Very nice. So let's go ahead and get those other clips together. That way we will get that final result. All right, so this is the cliffhanger ending clip of this short drama that we will be doing. Oh,
Where am I?
boom. There you go. Okay, so guys, look at this one. All right, now this omni reference, actually we were able to put in those clips that we generated, and we even included one image. That way, you know, we can make sure that it's always consistent. And then for this, you could actually change, you could actually alter emotions, because here is the powerful part of CapCut's workflow. Now, using omni-reference, guys, you could actually recreate existing short drama style scenes while also maintaining the main structure of the short drama. So you could recreate cinematic confrontations. You could also, you know, recreate between two characters in a narrow hallway, for example. So for instance, you would like to say, let me add another one right here. Okay, so so this one right here, I want to maybe get a part of this. Okay, so for this, let us get this part. Okay, and then just minimize that. That way we still have time for the other clip. So save it. And then I'm gonna put in another clip. Okay, from the one that we generated this time. Okay, all right. Now we could actually call, or say for example we want this one. Okay, so make the camera slowly uh go 360 degrees around the main character and slowly pointing the camera up. Okay, so we are going to do that, and then let's do 15 seconds for this. Make it 9 by 16 so we have all the clips that we want. We also included the image. All right, and let's go ahead and try to generate this one. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do is omni reference. Now we are going to be, as you can see here on your screen, guys, reference up to 9 images and 3 videos. Use only media you have the rights and consent for. So I could actually go ahead and upload. Okay, so upload those clips. All right, now it's going to be 15 seconds. So we have 3. Okay, and then we could actually upload the character that we have. So this one right here, we could put that in there. And then resolution 1080p, duration 15 seconds, and then 16 by 9 is the aspect ratio. Actually, we could do we could even change that. I mean, we could do 9 by 16 if we like. So let's actually do 9 by 16. Okay, so the ones that we have are already set. So I actually was able to change that to 9 by 16 here in CapCut as well. And that is one thing that I really love about it. So let's do this. Omni reference. So credits will be consumed. Go ahead and apply. All right, so guys, here is the one that the omni reference did, and look at this one. It is actually very, very awesome because this is where your imagination comes to life. So I put in make the camera slowly go 360 degrees around the main characters and slowly pointing the camera up. So playing this one, look at that. Oh my gosh. So now you just suddenly became a sci-fi director just because, you know, you will be able to put all the things that you could imagine in the clip. So when you have generated all those AI clips with the image to video, when you combine them in the omni reference, you could even call which scene or which clip you would like that to get those new directions. Okay, now here is the final part for the production layers. So this is the multi-track editing where you would be able to put in all the tracks or all the clips that you have generated. All right, so of course it's totally up to you on like which ones came first or which ones you want to see next or something like that. So say for example like this one, right? Okay, now you are going to play that. See? So that is where you could put in the layering. Which one is going to be on top? Which one is going to be at the bottom of that track? So again, you will be also able to, you know, pull this one up and then make it fit for the 9 by 16. All right, so again, it's totally up to you because with this one, you could put in the dialogue captions, you could put in the music. Okay, so here you could click on audio and say, for example, you want this. I mean, this is just an example. Okay, so for example, you want this audio. So you could click and drag that and it will be on the video. Okay, let's watch. See? Right? Now, of course, the reason why there are things on top is because I put in the other clips on top of each other. Now, you could remove that. Okay, so let's say, for example, remove that once more. And just watch the one that we have actually generated in the omni reference. See? Okay, you could make it louder, you could make it more subtle. So also you would be able to put in like transitions. Say for example, I want this to have a transition animation of it going the flashing like this. Bam. See? So guys, if you want to create short drama style videos like this one, you could download CapCut PC and start everything with GPT Image 2 and then use Cdance 2.0 for recreating the scenes, building the characters, and turning those simple ideas into a really good cinematic story. So everything from the character design to the final editing, these are all inside CapCut. So guys, now it's your turn to create your own short drama scenes into reality. Go ahead and check out the link in the description. It is also available in the pinned comment section. Check out CapCut and feel the difference on what matters the most. If this is your first, guys, make sure to consider subscribing. I create a lot of different AI tools, generative AI, generative image, and video AI generators. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.